Hi, my name is Nur Fatihah Hasan Nudin Kamarul Arifin from SMBP 5.
And hi, I'm Nora Mira Shafika binti Muhammad Razi from SMBP 5.
The objectives of corn breeding are to develop genetically diverse of corn, to produce high-yielding corn inbred lines and hybrids, to combine multiple stress tolerance, to enhance nutrient use efficiency and nutritional quality. Corn is a monoecious plant. It is a hermaphrodite where it has both male and female reproductive system on a same plant. The male part, which is known as tassel, emerged from the top of the plant after all the leaves have emerged. The tassel usually consists of several branches, which many small male flowers are situated. Each male flower releases a large number of pollen grains, each of which contains the male sex cell. The ear is the female floral organ which evolves from the head of the shank. It is a tiny structure that emerged out of a leaf node, usually situated above the ground and below the tassel. The immature ear consists of a cope, eggs that develop into kernels after pollination, and silks. The cope is a cylindrical structure upon which kernel development occurs. The kernels are arranged on the cope in pairs of rows. From each egg, a hair-like structure called a silk grows and eventually emerged from the tip of the husk, which is a group of leaves attached to the shank that encloses the entire ear. Pollination occurs when pollen grains fall on the silk when they are exposed. Successively, male sex cells move down each silk to meet a single egg, after which fertilization takes place. The egg, post-fertilization, matures into a kernel which holds an embryo and eventually emerges into a new corn plant. Gross corn plant may have 500 to 1000 kernels on a single ear.
When female flower had started to develop, the female flower was identified to cover with brown paper bag for preventing self-pollination. One day before cross-pollination, the silk of female flower was cut a bit. Then, the male flower was covered with brown paper bag that had been labeled with dates, day after transplanting or seed planting, and type of crossing between purple corn and yellow corn. On the day of pollination, the pollen was collected from tassel by shaking the paper bag to make sure all pollen have been collected. Next, the bag which contained pollen was dusted and covered onto chosen female flower, which the silk was cut. Oh, don't forget to put NPK blue to boost growth of corn. Now it's time to harvest. We harvest when tassels begin to turn brown and corn starts to swell. As you can see, the differences color of tassel between these two corn. Okay, it's time to harvest. Pull ears downward and twist to take off stalk. As the result, you can see the kernels become shining, pretty, and delicious to eat.
Corn or maize is an important cereal crop in the world. This crop has potential in high yield production. Corn crop is very important, especially for humans as source of food. It is a source of nutrition as well as phytochemical compounds. Phytochemicals play an important role in preventing chronic disease. It contains various major phytochemicals such as carotenoids, phenolic compounds, and phytosterols. There are several different varieties of corn that are bred for increased nutritional benefits to livestock and ease of syrup or fuel production.